Hello friends and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make feta pasta. Today I'm going to try the viral recipe of feta cheese pasta. I have taken a rectangle shaped glass container over here. Add olive oil in the container, 4 tablespoons. Cherry tomatoes, 10 to 12 pieces. Add feta cheese in the middle. Basil leaves, garlic cloves 3, salt as per taste. Keep in mind feta cheese also contains salt. Black pepper half tablespoon, paprika half tablespoon, that's totally optional if you want spicy. Oregano half tablespoon, chili flakes half tablespoon. Microwave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we can see it has melted very well. We can press it with the help of fork and mix it well all together. Adding boiled pasta to it. I have skipped the process of how to boil pasta, as you will find in my other videos of making pasta. I will share the link in description box. Feta pasta is mixed well. It's a one pot meal and can be prepared in 15 minutes. For garnishing we can add chopped basil leaves. Adding a pinch of oregano and chili flakes. It will enhance the taste of feta pasta. Serve hot. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Share your feedbacks and comments in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.